Morla.
I'm Honey. Tonight, we witness the three contestants who will vie for the next batch of our semi-finalists. Who among them will be part of the first batch of the semi-finalists? Malalaman po natin yan maya-maya lang. But before that, for those who are just new here, our contest mechanics will have 3 rounds of the competition before going to the grand finals. First round
is the casting part. Whoever passes the casting part will automatically move to the second round, which is the semi-finals qualifying round. And whoever passes the second round will be on standby for the third round, which is our semi-finals round. Round 1 and 2 will be done tonight.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Kami naman, are you ready?
Of course, we are excited to watch and listen to our talented contestants for tonight. But before that, papakilala muna natin ang ating mga judge. Our first judge for tonight, she is a veteran professional singer, a teacher, and currently the purchasing manager of Dali Shoes and Bag. Please help me welcome Miss Erna Hernandez. Kaway-kaway po natin, ma'am.
Our second and in-house judge for tonight, a veteran singer by profession, semi-finalist of Vietnam Got Talent, a qualifier of Asia's Got Talent, the current lead vocalist of our in-house band, the P4 Family Band, and of course, the one and only owner of Juan Resto Bar. Please welcome Miss Ara Preciano. And here are the criteria for judging. 40% for voice quality,
30% stage performance,
20% for audience impact,
and 10% mastery of the song, for a total of 100%. Isa lang po ang pwede pong mag-qualify for the semi-finalist. However, the one management will have the wild card options. Means, pwede po tayong lumampas or iisang tatawid to semi-finals if the judge will opt to use the wild card just in case magagaling talaga ang mga contestant natin.
Everybody okay? Before we start, let's acknowledge the people who supported and make this event happen. Of course, yung mga sponsors namin. Kung wala sila, wala din tayo ngayon. Unahin po natin yung main and major sponsor. Sila po ang nagbibigay ng major prizes for the grand champion at weekly cash prizes para sa mga semi-finals qualifiers. Sila din po ang nag-provide ng mga prizes for weekly lucky draws. Our special thanks to our main and major sponsor of our Search for One Singing Star Season 4, none other than Trade Wave Logistics, a Filipino-owned and the cheapest logistic company in Vietnam. They deliver your balikbayan boxes to Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So subukan po natin padala ng mga balikbayan boxes sa kanila. Garantisado po at mura pa. May I call on Miss Nina of Juan Resto Bar to explain our detail.
Good evening po everybody. I'm representing our main and major sponsor, Trade Wave Logistics. Yung mga kasama natin ngayon nandyan sa labas, so palagpakan natin. So on behalf of Trade Wave Logistics, I'm here to thank Juan Resto Bar and sa inyong lahat for giving Trade Wave Logistics the opportunity to be part of this amazing program of Juan Resto Bar. This program makes us feel like nasa Pinas na tayo. Like mahilig tayo kumanta, mahilig tayo mag-load ng sing contest. So it feels like home lang, which is one of the very famous events all over the Philippines, especially during the fiestas. Having said that, again, Trade Wave Logistics are very happy to be part of this event and be able to contribute to development of Filipino talents and be able to give kasayahan to our kababayans. In Trade Wave Logistics provides delivery services of your balikbayan boxes to all places in the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Not only that, we are also the cheapest, pinakamura logistic provider in Vietnam. So we encourage to try Trade Wave Logistics. Rest assured po, Tradeway Logistics will continue to work with One Resto Bar to provide more interesting event for all our Filipinos. We don't only do business, we also do our responsibility to the society, especially to the Filipino communities. Once again, Tradeway po, subukan niyo lang. Ako po si Ninya, you can contact me through One Resto Bar Facebook page. Salamat po.
We also acknowledge our secondary sponsor for Singing Contest who donated for the third prize winner. Special thanks to Mr. Joey Habitana, a very close friend of One Resto Bar, and I think some of you know him, a very generous guy and a good friend. He currently works under USAID project in Vietnam. Another secondary sponsors for TLP Vietnam, the Learning Place School, located at UP Los Baños, but they will be opening here soon in Vietnam. You may contact Lika Aryader or Miss Erna Hernandez. Sa mga parents dyan na may mga anak, kasi mag-open po yung school nila dito sa Vietnam. You can contact po Miss Erna directly through her Facebook or contact number.
Hi, good evening. I'm Riz Lucas. I'm 49 years old. My origin is from Surigao City, but I'm currently living in Cabuyao, Laguna. So the first I knew One Bar was way back 3 years ago when I joined Pasculitan. So that's when I know this bar. And then singing is my passion, so just want to share back my talent to all my kababayans here. No matter what, this is just my way of expressing my God's gift talent to me. To all my friends out there, if you had talent, don't be ashamed, don't be afraid. There's no harm in trying. So show up, sing. Thank you.
Are you ready? Yes! Contestants, are you ready? Now, without further ado, now let's call on our first contestant tonight from Surigao, Miss Reese Lucas. Please join us here on stage.
Hi po, Miss Reese. Ano po yung nararamdaman natin ngayon?
Halong kaba and excitement.
Good naman po. How long have you lived here in Vietnam?
I've been here for 11 years.
First time niyo po ba mag-join dito sa One Singing Contest?
Yep.
Wow,
First time.
So, ano po yung inspiration niyo or motivation niyo to join this contest?
My inspiration is just I really love music. My passion is music. I want to sing and I want to impart my talent. So that's all.
Okay, so excited ka na po ba?
Yes.
Okay, so wag na po natin patatagalin. Please welcome Miss.
Miss Reese Lucas from Surigao. Let's give her a round
Give
of
her a round of
applause.
applause, please.
Thank you.
Ang kasal
Grabe naman yun.
What an amazing performance from our first contestant, Reese Lucas. Let's give her a round of applause. Grabe naman yun. Now, let's hear the comments of our honorable judges, starting with Miss Erna.
Hi, Reese. Good evening. And before anything else, hello everyone. Welcome back to the season 4. It's season 4 now and I'm still here. Wow. It seems like I'm doing a great job, madam. Right? Okay, Mom Reese, you have a very nice voice. The tone of your voice is really beautiful. It's just that a little hiccups on the end part of the phrases of the song, but it's really nice. And bumawi ka as the song goes by, as your performance goes by. Talaga namang binigay mo yung todong birit mo. And the stage presence is perfectly done because, you know, it's very hard to memorize that song, Tagalog. Yeah, very good po. Ang galing-galing niyo po. Thank you. More practice na lang po dun sa mga end part kasi nahalata yung nervous mo doon. Pero but your voice is really nice. Yung timbre niya is tamang-tama po. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you, Miss Erna. Now let's hear the comments of our judge, Miss Ara.
Alright, welcome back season 4. Wow, Singing Star. Okay, ang dami natin ngayon Salamat po sa suporta all the way. Okay, alright. Hello, Miss Reese. Medyo hinahabol mo yung hinanga mo and then medyo kabato ka siguro. But then the voice quality is there. Okay, good rendition of the songs. I like it. Very high and very powerful vocal. Keep it up and hope to see you in the semifinals.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Ara. Now that we heard the comments of our judges, hopefully you will take it as an inspiration to do better next time if ever. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you
thank
for
you.
Miss Reese.